down to item 6, review, discuss, and if necessary, take action to approve contingency agreement with attorney for Blue Cross Blue Shield billing issues. And as the board is aware, Ray and I made the trip to Austin today to meet with an attorney from the firm, and also with Kelly Dawson and Lewis and Clay from MMP and a couple other people, one representative of Knox Hospital. Okay. Ray, you want to take it from there?
Yeah, we met with Brian Blair today. He's with the law firm, which you looked at their contract with Provost Humphrey. Yeah. We met with him for about an hour. He kind of talked about his credentials. He does have some experience dealing with hospital insurance carriers, and they're not paying appropriately. Very open, very very willing to explain to us kind of what the process would be, But based on your John's recommendation before, I contacted Kevin Reed and sent him a copy of the contract for his review, and he sent back with several comments, but with also a question about signing a
contingency
agreement and what the process is, and it needs to involve the Attorney General on that. And we discussed that with Ryan, and he acknowledged that. But as a result of that, Ron and I visited a little bit and thought it might be worth your time and all to visit with Kevin prior to our next 26th meeting, when we might invite this man to come and visit with y'all as a board. And he's agreed, he's reserved that day on the 26th, he's available to do that. But we felt like it might be meaningful for y'all to visit with Kevin Reed and just, talk through the whole process with Kevin a little bit. And Kevin is available either on the 17th or the 19th, the week prior to our regular board meeting. He's available either one of those evenings. He'll come here if you'd like for him to, if you think it merits him meeting y'all and visiting with y'all face to face. He's willing to come and visit with you. So I kind of propose that to you.
I'd recommend that. There's several hoops we have to basically jump through to actually even enter into a contingency fee agreement with a law firm. Kevin also indicated that he would ask for some changes to the proposed contract. I let Mr. Blevins know that today, and he understood that. And I really think that it would be a good idea for the board to be able to meet with Kevin and ask whatever question, have him make a presentation and ask whatever questions the board may have concerning it. But Kevin obviously knows a lot more about these things, obviously, than I do. I was not even aware that there was a requirement for these different things that had to be done, including the last step for it to be sent to the Attorney General's office for review and approval. So.
So if you'd like me to, I've got Kevin reserved those dates, and if either one of those dates would meet y'all's schedule, I'd be happy to get that schedule. We'll get it posted. I think we can get it posted as an executive session. I'll have to verify that with Kevin.
We should, yes. Should be able to, yes.
I think that sounds like a good idea.
Okay. Anybody got a preference, the 17th or 19th?
Is that Tuesday?
Tuesday or Thursday of, yeah.
And then we have,
Any of the other meetings that we're having?
no, we might be able to coordinate that with a budget workshop if we need to. We have a meeting the next,
We have one next Thursday, and we can have the budget workshop then prior to, or we can bump it to the next week if it's
I
better.
thought we had some on the 19th.
no, on the next Monday or Tuesday we have.
Yeah.
The 24th, the Tuesday before.
Obviously, I'm not sure if we have to another.
That's the 24th. The 24th is a meeting to approve the budget and approve the tax rate, and then the 26th is our regular board meeting, which we'll also have that on the agenda just in case we don't have a quorum for the 24th. And then there's there's a meeting on the 12th, a budget workshop on the 12th.
And just second.
Yeah, second meeting that we had tonight, yeah.
And if the board chose to go after meeting with Kevin and you're comfortable enough to go forward with a contingency fee agreement with the law firm, Mr. Levens, we told him we would be looking at the 26th, and he would come up, no additional charge to visit with the board, so.
I'm good with Dave.
Okay. Same. Pam?
Yes, I won't be on the 24th, but 17th and 19th, yes.
Okay. One or the other, and it doesn't matter to me which day, so.
Thursday's our sort of routine meeting now.
Do Thursday the
The
19th.
first show is the 19th, and then if it's not, we'll see, okay. All right.
Okay.
I'll let you know, as I get this scheduled, and I'll let you know, so you wait for the weekend.
Okay. All right, I guess that takes care of item 6. Item 7 is public comments, and we have nobody here from the public once again, so that's usually a good thing. I will entertain a motion to adjourn made by Dwayne Griffin, second by Dr. Bosick, all in favor. Okay, 6 items.
Thank you very much.
So,
Thank you.
Nina, what's planned for the 24th? Is that budget meeting?
No, Brett, I'm gonna try. Oh, I am.
Approval of the budget and the tax. We'll have another
She had.
budget
But
workshop,
they were in the upper deck.
which will come out of that with a recommendation for the budget